Property owners and occupiers have a responsibility to make sure visitors are reasonably safe when on the premises. Usually, the legal obligation is to take reasonable steps to ensure that the premises are safe. When the people in control of the premises fail to meet that reasonable standard, they may be held legally liable for the damages that result. Dangerous conditions can take many different forms. Sometimes the danger is due to poor maintenance or a failure to inspect the building or property. Other times the danger can result from poor construction. Here are 3 things to be aware of in the event of a fall or other accident due to unsafe premises. Document the fall or accident and the conditions if you can do so safely, like taking pictures. Notify someone responsible for the premises, a security guard or other employee. Identify any witnesses to the accident or the conditions that caused it and get their contact information. Whether the cause of a fall or other accident is poor maintenance, or construction, or a failure to inspect the premises, a capable injury or accident lawyer will know what steps to take to protect your rights. The lawyers at McNally Gervan have represented many people who have been injured due to unsafe premises, whether in falls or other types of accidents. Compensation for these accidents often includes damages for pain and suffering, past and future losses of income, and past and ongoing medical and rehabilitation costs. Contact us for a free consultation. The lawyers at McNally Gervan LLP understand the system and are here to help accident victims get the support they need and the benefits they deserve.